Welcome the our channel. Today we how to activate Cartoon Network on Roku step by step clearly. To activate Cartoon Network on Roku, start by turning on your Roku device. Ensure your Roku is connected to the internet. On your Roku home screen, navigate to the Streaming Channels section. Select the Search Channels option. In the search bar, type Cartoon Network and press OK. Choose the Cartoon Network channel from the search results. Select the Add Channel option to install the app. Once the app is installed, return to the home screen. Locate and open the Cartoon Network app. You will be prompted to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to register for an account. After logging in or creating an account, you may receive an activation code. Take note of this activation code. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser. Visit the activation website provided in the app. Enter the activation code in the designated field. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, return to your Roku device. You can now enjoy watching Cartoon Network content. Remember to check for any updates in the app for the best experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.